Assembly of backhoe loader components. Tools needed: snap ring pliers, copper hammer, air impact wrench, socket, crane. Use the air impact wrench to remove the bolts securing the iron wheel. Hold up the machine by the outriggers. Replace the iron wheel with the tire and tighten the bolts. Repeat the same steps to replace the other tire. Tighten the bolts on both tires with a torque of 500 to 600 Nm. Align the connection holes of the bucket and the loader arm using the crane. Ensure that washers are placed in any gaps during installation. Insert the pin and tap it into place with the copper hammer. Place the washer and install the snap ring. Install the connection pin between the bucket and the linkage rod, along with the washer and snap ring. Operate the excavator arm to insert the front connection device into the corresponding pin position on the digging bucket. Align the connection holes of the excavator arm and the digging bucket. Insert the pin and install the washer and snap ring. Lubricate the pin with grease. Install the work lights on the upper part of the cab. Install the bucket auto leveling sensor. After completing the assembly, test the machine.